been a hard times, but sometimes I feel it's gotta get better. Just tighten your bootstraps down, babe. Can't complain about the weather. Yeah. Well, whether you're up or whether you're down, yeah, you still got to learn to navigate yourself around. Bring on the rain, watch it fall into the ground again. Bring on the weather. Well, it's been a frostbite and a long shot, but I feel it's gonna come together. Oh yeah, yeah. Well, just tighten those bootstraps, baby. This time it's gonna be now or never. Yeah. Hey, some days are gonna be a little dark. Still gotta find your soul and set yourself apart. Bring on the rain. Just watch it fall to the ground again. Bring on the rain. Teardrops hitting bricks is such a lonely sound. Bring on the weather. All right. Oh! Get on! Well, whether you're in, whether you're out, you just had to take your love and spread it all across town. Huh. What's wrong with the weather? Say it's now or never. You're always complaining. Say it's always raining, but the flowers need to grow, and I guess it's time you go. What's wrong with the weather? What's wrong with the weather? What's wrong with the weather? You say it's always raining, always complaining. You say it's now or never, but the flowers need to grow, and I guess it's time you go. What's wrong with the weather? What's wrong with the weather?